Ever feel like YouTube is just for viral superstars with millions of subscribers? Like you need a massive audience to even make a dent? Well, let me tell you, that's a total myth. Forget the subscriber count obsession. Here's the real secret to getting leads from YouTube. It's not about how many eyes you reach, but about reaching the right eyes. Your subscriber count is just a vanity metric if those people aren't actually looking for what you offer. What truly matters is answering one powerful question. And once you do, YouTube stops being a popularity contest and starts being a serious lead generation engine for your business. So, what's this magic question? It's what specific problem does your target audience have that your product or service uniquely solves? Think about it. When you go to YouTube, what are you usually doing? You're searching for answers, right? How to fix a leaky faucet, best way to organize my pantry, or reviews of a product before buying. You have a problem and you're actively looking for a solution. Your business needs to be that solution provider. Instead of creating content for everyone, you're creating highly targeted content for the people who are already looking for your expertise. This means every view, every comment, and every single interaction comes from someone who is likely to be a potential client. But how do I find their problems, you ask? Great question. Start by listening. What do your current customers constantly ask about? What frustrations do they mention? Dive into online forums like Reddit or Facebook groups where people are openly discussing their struggles. Read competitor comments to spot gaps. Even strategic keyword research can show you exactly what pain points people are typing into that search bar. For example, if you're a bookkeeper, don't just target bookkeeping. Go for how to reconcile bank statements for small businesses or payroll mistakes to avoid. See the difference? Once you know their problems, creating content is easy. Your video title and thumbnail should scream, I have that solution to your problem. Your videos should start by acknowledging the problem, briefly agitating it, then presenting your clear, actionable solution. Think steps, tips, or a simple framework, and finally explain the benefits of solving it. Don't forget to showcase your expertise. You're the go-to expert after all. And here's another crucial point. Don't let viewers wonder what to do next. Every video needs a clear call to action. Offer a free guide related to that video's topic. Invite them to book a free consultation or send them to a specific landing page. Use YouTube cards, end screens, and put links right in your description. Make it super easy for them to take that next step. This approach is how small channels with few thousand engaged subscribers can absolutely outperform channels with 100,000 followers. It's about impact, not just numbers. Start by focusing on that one question and watch your YouTube channel transform into a lead generating powerhouse. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, follow and subscribe.